Hey everyone, the ACER Predator XB273UV3 might be the ideal monitor for you if you're looking for one that strikes a balance between superior visual quality and gaming performance. With its adaptability, this 27-inch monitor, which was primarily made for gamers, is ideal for professional jobs like multimedia production. With its remarkable refresh rate, high-definition graphics, and cutting-edge technology, this monitor promises to provide an amazing gaming and non-gaming experience. Now let's get started with the review. The stand features an adjustable height, a tilt range of 5 to 25 degrees, and a rotation angle of 30 degrees in both directions. Its base is made of robust metal, while horizontal positioning delivers the most comfort and is suitable for both professional and gaming use. Portrait mode is not supported. Additionally, the monitor is compatible with a 100 by 100 VESA mount, which increases your wall mounting options. The XB273UV3 is lightweight and portable, weighing only about 5 kilos when the stand is included. Its thickness of 7 centimeters also contributes to its portability. 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.2 port, and 1 audio output are included with this model so that you can attach external speakers or headphones. A standout feature of the Predator XB273UV3 is its 27-inch IPS panel. The display has an excellent color accuracy and a broad 178 degrees viewing angle in both horizontal and vertical directions thanks to Agile Splendor technology. The display's great resolution of 2560 by 1440 ensures that there is no image blurring even during intense gaming sessions. Even in the most frenetic games, fluid gaming is guaranteed by the 144 Hz refresh rate over HDMI, which can be increased to 170 Hz via DisplayPort. This high refresh rate will offer you an advantage over your opponents, whether you're playing large open-world games or competitive first-person shooter games. Additionally, AMD FreeSync Premium is supported by the monitor, which synchronizes the refresh rate with your GPU to avoid screen tearing and guarantee a fluid gaming experience. The monitor works well even in bright settings thanks to its 400 nits of brightness and 100 million to 1 contrast ratio, which produces rich highlights and deep blacks. With its 95% coverage of the DCI P3 color space, this monitor is appropriate for use in professional appearance, photography, and video editing. Whether you're playing competitive esports or action-packed video games, this monitor guarantees crisp, blur-free images even during the most intense moments. The blue light filter is another feature that is beneficial to gamers as it lessens eye strain, which is particularly crucial during extended games. Overall, using the ACER Predator XB273UV3 has been a pleasant experience. Long-term use is made possible by the monitor's smooth refresh rate and bright pictures. In addition, changing the monitor's settings is a breeze thanks to the ACER Display Widget program. With the program, you can quickly and easily manage presets and display settings without fumbling with physical buttons. To sum up, the ACER Predator XB273UV3 is an excellent option for both professionals and gamers. With its fast refresh rate, cutting-edge features like AMD FreeSync, and superb image quality, it's a serious competitor in the gaming monitor industry. It's also adaptable enough to be used for multimedia work, thanks to its superb color reproduction and 95% DCI P3 coverage. This monitor is strong enough for professional applications, yet it can also handle fast-paced games. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.